This is video time. Otherwise, we'll never remember his cuteness.
Let's take advantage of it.
Aww. Did your swing stop?
Mommy, I don't know what happened. It was working great, and then Daddy hit the button, and now it's not working.
Is it the end of the world?
He killed it.
I think he has gas too.
Mommy, do something. Mommy, it's an emergency. It has to get going now.
Oh,
This is a cute little thing. Mommy, the swing stopped. I don't think you noticed yet, Mommy. But it stops.
Emergency!
Mommy, the world's falling apart because it's standing still.
Oh, he's so sad. What's that?
That's bad.
But he still can't find the boob in the swing.
He's slouching a little too.
Yeah, I think he's hungry.
He has terrible posture.
But he can't eat and have gas at the same time. That's the only problem.
Yeah.
Ages. So sad. Okay, we'll turn the camera off.